Finding reliable outdoor solar lights can transform your property's security and ambiance. Today, we're exploring the top 3 outdoor solar light solutions that deliver exceptional performance and value. Before we dive into these impressive options, check out the link in the description for exclusive deals on our recommended solar lights. Starting with our third pick, let's examine the YQCHEZI 200-watt solar light. This outdoor lighting solution stands out with its impressive 200-watt power output and remarkable 6,000 mAh battery capacity. Installation couldn't be more straightforward. No complex wiring needed. Simply mount it where you want, and you're ready to go. It features high-brightness LED technology that provides exceptional illumination while remaining energy efficient. What makes this model particularly appealing is its advanced features. The infrared remote control works from up to 8 meters away, giving you convenient control over your lighting. The polycrystalline solar panel efficiently converts sunlight into electricity, ensuring reliable performance. Made with durable ABS material, this light holds up well against various weather conditions. Features you'll appreciate: zero-cost operation, IP65 waterproof rating, automatic dusk-to-dawn operation, 2-year warranty coverage, modern design. Moving on to our second-place contender, the ZHUOYU solar streetlight. This modern fixture delivers an astounding 30,000 lumens of brightness, making it perfect for larger areas. What sets it apart is its advanced motion sensor technology, which helps conserve energy while ensuring security. The light incorporates sophisticated dusk-to-dawn automation, eliminating the need for manual operation. Its IP68 waterproof rating exceeds industry standards, providing exceptional protection against harsh weather conditions. The construction quality is remarkable, featuring durable ABS materials that withstand time and elements. Key features that stand out: superior 30,000 lumens brightness output, integrated motion sensor technology, IP68 waterproof certification, versatile mounting options, advanced lithium battery system. Now for our top recommendation, the Paweinuo 7700 LM solar LED light. This powerhouse earned its first-place position through exceptional performance and innovative features. With 720 LED lights and 3 distinct operating modes, it offers unmatched versatility. The brightness output is truly remarkable, providing 200% more illumination than conventional solar lights. The charging efficiency sets this model apart from competitors. Its polysilicon solar panel charges up to 20 times faster than standard versions, while the triple battery system provides extended operation time, up to 48 hours on a single charge. The 180-degree multi-joint rotation system allows precise adjustment for optimal lighting coverage. Standout features include 720 high-efficiency LED lights, advanced remote control functionality, IPX65 weather resistance, 10-meter motion detection range, enhanced battery capacity system. Conclusion: while each of these solar lights offers unique advantages, the Paweinuo model stands out for its superior brightness, charging efficiency, and versatile features. Consider your specific needs, whether it's illuminating a large area, ensuring security, or creating the perfect ambiance. Any of these options will serve you well. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product insights. See you in the next one.